What's going on, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are having a great day. All of that jazz. Thank you so much for joining us today. So check this out. What we actually gonna do, we're gonna talk about drums. All right, we're gonna talk about drums, like different drum plugins that are out there, like Studio Drummer, Modern Drummer, Moto Drummer, all these different drum plugins, and just how you can get, just a great sound out of it. All right, so let's just take a look. All right, so I'm using Studio Drummer. If you follow me, you saw that I did a video like this a while back. I'm just going to dive just a little bit deeper into it. So we got kick, snare, hi-hat, whoop-de-whoop-de-woo, all these things. They're getting a proper output, time one, whoop-de-whoop-de-woo. If you want to know how to do that, you could either watch the video or I'll just do another in-depth video on how I get this. All right, cool. So we got that, right? Now, if you're one of those producers or one of those engineers that runs out of CPU very, very quickly, this is just something that'll help out with that, okay? So let's just listen to these drums real quick without any processing, right? Right? Okay, cool. That's all right or whatever. Now I want you guys to listen to it with the processing that we got right here. All right. Already out the gate, it's punchy, right? It's already punchy, it already got the body to it, right? So let's take a look to see what we did. If you were fortunate enough to have the mix-up, but you can do this with any type of a plug-in, all right? I just choose to do it with a channel strip like this because it's just one plug-in and that's it. I don't have to get 3-4 different plug-ins just to try to get the sound that I want, all right? So with this, overheads, boosting the gain, I use the negative 20 dB pad, but I'm giving it like a little bit of grit to it, right? And I'm actually boosting a lot of things in here. I'm boosting the lows, the low mids, dipping around the high mid frequencies, and boosting the highs, okay? So then compression, so on and so forth, using different things, to get the sound that I want, right? So because I had this going on right here, all of this, because I had this going on, what I did was record. So now it got recorded in like that. So take a look now. That thing already out the gate, punchy. I get to save CPU. Because I don't even know if you guys saw this. Look, I'm already tapping at 30. I'm on 30's door, pretty much. Getting 30 and just the CPU. And I didn't even really do much. But these are just powerful plugins. So now I can save myself CPU. I already got a good drum sound out the gate. Got the fat channel on there already. Just to get out some of those low mid frequencies and boost some of the highs. That's it. So I hope that was helpful to somebody, you know what I'm saying? Like not like a lot of these, artists or whatever, it is very hard to afford a live drummer, especially one that a good drummer anyway. So, what's up for us, to make it happen. So make it happen, y'all. So hopefully that helps somebody, and I'll catch you on the next one.